All right, boys and girls, today we are going to be practicing rounding on a number line. We're going to practice rounding to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100, and to the nearest 1,000. So let's take a look at this first slide we have here. Round 38 to the nearest 10. So on your number line, you're going to put the two multiples of 10 that you have here. So the two multiples of 10 between that 38 fall between are 30 and 40. Now you have these tick marks on your number line, and so if this is 30, this would be 31. This would be 32, 33, 34. This one looks a little bit different, and it's 35 because this is halfway between 30 and 40. This would be 36, 37, 38, 39. So there's your 38, and I'm going to move this right here. So that is 38. This is where your number lies on your number line. And 38, if I'm rounding to the closest 10, is it going to be closer to 30 or is it going to be closer to 40? It's going to be closer to 40. So 38 rounds to 40. That's how you do rounding to the nearest 10 using a number line. So let's try one more. Here's one more. Round 53 to the nearest 10. So again, you're going to put your multiples of 10 on the end of your number line. So you have 50 and 60. This box here is going to be the number in the middle of 50 and 60, and that would be 55. Now I know that this is going to be 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. And I'm looking for 53. There's my 53, so I'm going to move this on top of it. And 53 is going to round to either 50 or 60. Which one is 53 closest to? 53 rounds to 50. Okay, you're going to practice on the next couple of slides doing this exact same thing.